Welcome back, guys, and here's how to install Hammer++ for Gmod. First things first, you'll go to the link in the description here and download and click on this one to download it. From there you'll get this folder. Now before we continue, you'll need to install Garry's mod, but you'll want to make sure you go to Properties, Betas, and choose the x86-64 branch, and then install Gmod, and make sure you agree to the ELA twice apparently. And we'll be back once it's installed. Alright, then once it's done installing, you right click here and go to Browse Local Files. Alright, and then what you do is you go to the Hammer++ directory you extracted earlier, copy the bin folder, and then just paste it here, and click Yes. Then you go to bin, Win64, and then you just launch Hammer++.exe. And there you go. The end.